Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Coming up on Umkoka in December on Monday first week, who reigns? Calamity comes into the lives of one family. Mom Prophet can't help Makosa. The old Mamzobe resurfaces and she turns dark. On Tuesday, Izzy Kwama, are they safe? Manzimande's words push Nomkosi towards the edge of the cliff. Ndlovu believes he is untouchable, but the prophets think otherwise. Lwazi has a cure for Gapsile's wounds. On Wednesday, the vision. The Mtembus receive troubling news that leaves them shattered and fearing the West. Rage and vengeance sends Nomkosi into a dark place and she does unthinkable. On Thursday, false hope. Sfokia informs the Mtembus that they can't carry on with their plans. Ndlovu's wives fear that they curse will cause bad luck in their lives, and Lwazi tries to convince his mother to accept Gapsile. On Friday, the old Mkhululi slashing. Amidst the harrowing exhumation, Mamzobe fiercely battles to stop the lashing. The young lovers are determined to sacrifice it all to be together. An evil man sits on the throne. On the second week on Monday, bring back my children. In the dead of night, Mtembu appears to Supamandla and commands him to bring him home the scattered flock before the lurking divorce strikes. Mamzobe insults Manzimande in the worst possible way. Kapsile and Lwazi's love is threatened. On Tuesday, the return. Spamandla and Mamzobe learn of the news that might derail their personal plans. A dark cloud rolls in and brings with it an old friend on a new mission. On Wednesday, bring back Amajudia. Ndlovu instructs his wife to lash Mamzobe. Mlungisi tells Mamzobe her deep, dark, and dangerous secret. On Thursday, trapped in the closet, Ndlovu has exorbitant demands of Samcolo for his cooperation. Sbusiso visits Pamandla unexpectedly, and Gapsile gets trapped in the closet. On Friday, greed and other things. Two young former lovers find themselves in hot soup. A man's greed makes him overplay his hand. A potential granny to be lashes out at her daughter. On the third week, on Monday, Mamzobe initiates her second takeover. Mamzobe makes a bold covenant guided by Sibusiso. Ndlovu gives the council another list with more demands. Maklimba makes Lwazi cut all communication with Gapsile. On Tuesday, refusal of return. Spamandla's careful diplomacy unravels at Ndlovu with chilling resolve. Mamzoba makes a puppet out of Ndlovu. Mazungu is unnerved by this new version of Spusiso. On Wednesday, a mother's wrath, Mamzobe Mamzobe reaps what she has sown as she loves the harvest. Sfokia sees his Busiso for who he truly is. Zisebenzele hints at a future of marital bliss. On Friday, frozen in time, Mamzobe praises his Busiso for everything going well for her. Sfokia finds himself stuck in a rut after trying to help his Busiso. Ndomi receives a life-changing surprise, but not everyone is happy about it. On Friday, we lay it all at the feet. Mamzobe's spell goes to another level at church. Battle lines are drawn after Spars challenges Spu's power, and Ndlovu's wives smell a rat about their husband. On the fourth week on Monday, get your house in order. Mamzobe has a full reign over Ndlovu's life and sends his home into a pandemonium. Zisebenzele tells Ntombi that they are caught in a crossfire that has nothing to do with them. Mabusi loses her powers. On Tuesday, where is my flock? Difa cannot believe his eyes when he finds Ndlovu clenched onto Mamzobe's feet. Mabusi's patient returns in a more critical condition than before. Manzimanda refuses to give Zisebenzele her blessings. On Wednesday, where is my flock? Mtembu accuses his Pamandla of failing in his duties. Sfokia stares down evil's Busiso. Zisebenzele's premarital woes come to a head. On Thursday, Difa confront Mamzobe about Ndlovu kneeling for her. Sipamandla makes a promise to Mtembu, one that might be difficult to execute. On Friday, here is Kwama. Ndlovu humiliates his wife in public. Maklimba compliments Jabu to spite Gabi. Spa and Mabusi makes a grand entrance at Kulekani's church. On the fifth week on Monday, no mother of mine. Mamzove's spell is finally broken while the search is on for the culprit who stole Izikwama. Will Mabusi find them? On Tuesday, the hyenas versus beards. The council tries to deal with Spoo, but they get more than what they bargained for. Mamzove and Gapsile's relationship takes a turn for the worst, and Zisebenzele takes another step in claiming Ntombi. Thank you for watching.